If you like my mirror dotting design, here is everything you need to know to create your own. Dotting in real life is a slow, relaxing and meditative process. So in this video, I will provide a quick and easy step-by-step tutorial. Please pause at any moment and take your time to create each step. All supplies mentioned will be listed below. For this project we need wooden unfinished circle. I already applied gesso and painted it black. But if you want to learn more, please check out this video. Paints we need white pearl, champagne gold, emperor's gold, worn penny, rich espresso, peridot. Also optional is gloss glaze to seal the final look. We need some dotting tools ranging from 1 to 15 mm in diameter. We need some small containers with the lids, a few small brushes, a couple of compasses, 12 inches beveled craft mirror, E6000 industrial strength glue. First, we need to find a middle of the circle. Using a large piece of paper, cut a circle of a similar size, fold it and cut out some small openings. Place the paper on the wooden circle and mark it through the openings. Connect the dots. To keep our design symmetrical, using a large compass, draw a few circles, radius 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 inches. To divide our circle into 32 equal parts, watch this video, or here is a quick summary. Using a small compass, choose a random sized radius, but slightly larger than a half of this distance. Mark it left and right, left and right. Connect the dots, repeat the steps. Slightly brush off the pencil marks to make the paint go smoother. We start with rich espresso using tool number 6, dots around. If it doesn't look good, no worries, it's easy to fix. Using a brush, remove the unwanted paint while it is still wet. Paint it over with black, let it dry and continue. I like my dots fat and outstanding, so I always add more paint on top. Our next color is champagne gold, tool number 6, dots around. Peridot, tool number 3. White pearl, tool number 1, 1 dot. Worn penny, tool number 10. White pearl, tool number 1, dots around. Let's follow the steps. Emperor's gold, tool number 4, 3 dots. And tool number 3, taper. Add some more guidelines. Worn penny, tool number 15. Place it right on top of the 9 inches circle. Champagne gold, tool number 8, and using tool number 1, drag it while the paint is still wet. Champagne gold, tool number 6, 2 dots. Number 5, 2 dots. Number 4, 2 dots. Using a large compass, draw a circle right under the peridot dot. And now it's my favorite moment to make our painting come alive. Mix the paint with white pearl to create a lighter version. Use smaller sized tools to touch up on top. It brings up the color and adds more texture and definition to our dots. When the paint is dry, gently clean the chalk marks with a slightly damp paper towel, Q-tips, or cover them up with black paint. Some final touches. After the paint is completely dry, it's time to apply a layer of gloss glaze varnish to protect the painting. Let it dry. If you want to learn more about it, please watch this video. Now we can attach the mirror using E6000 industrial strength glue. I like it as it allows a couple of minutes to adjust and readjust the mirror to make sure it's perfectly in the middle. Use a cotton ball and some glass cleaner to clean the mirror. And now our project is done. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial and feel inspired to create your own gorgeous mandala dotting mirror. Please like and subscribe so we can stay in touch and enjoy more dotting projects together in my next video.